welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the accelerator pedal. I've been having problems with the pedal. Basically what it would do is when I step on the gas, the car will basically automatically go into limp mode and you can't throttle anymore unless you press the pedal all the way down to the floor, and it'll gradually pick up speed like that. And to fix it, I have to pull over, turn the car off, turn it back on, and then it'll work fine. So I ran the codes and it was the accelerator pedal, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And it's a quick job. It's one 10mm bolt that holds the pedal down. Everything else basically unplugs, and we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so to give you an idea, this is what the accelerator pedal looks like when it's out of the car. This is the sensor that goes bad on these cars, which causes the car to go into limp mode. So, I mean, if you could find this piece, you could just replace it. It's just 2 screws on the ends that holds it in place, but I just went ahead and got the whole pedal because they're hard to find. I bought this off of eBay. As you can see, it's a Mercedes part. I got this one used because a brand new one, the prices are all over the place with them right now, so I just got to use one for now. So this right here is the 10mm bolt, and you can't really see it, but there's a hole in there. It has this little plastic cap that goes on top of it. The hole is this hole right here, and the pedal, you pull the cap out, 10mm bolt, and this whole piece right here should come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to set up so you guys can see me do it and get it done. It's not that much light in here, but we're gonna try. Alright, so I already got the bolt out. The bolt goes right here. It came out. So this should just pull right out. Let's see. It does have a plastic piece up top holding it. That's in the way that I see, but let's see if we can get around that without pulling everything out. Okay. So there is a washer that's in there, so don't forget to pull the washer out like I did. Let's see if we can get this to wiggle out. There's not that much room under here. Okay, so there we go. We got that out. And we should be able to just unplug this. Of course, you know these plastic pieces are hard to take apart. Also, there is another plug underneath here that we have to take out. I didn't realize that. So, let's go ahead and get that out. Alright. So now that we got the old one out, we can go ahead and replace it with the new one. All right, guys. So just to recap on the accelerator pedal, like I was saying, it's that 110 millimeter, that 10 millimeter bolt on the bottom that you have to take out, and it pretty much just lifts up and slides out. You don't have to take all the other plastic pieces off that you've seen that was under there. You just pull it. Don't pull it too hard because you don't want to break your wires, but it'll come out. Just wiggle it. Just take your patience, your time with it. Have patience with it. It'll come out as you see it did with me. And then you basically just put it back in, the same way you took it out. Just slide it up in there and push it down over the bolt that's sticking out that the 10 millimeter nut goes over. Put your washer back on. Put the bolt back on. Hand tighten it. Don't want to make it too tight because it is plastic. You don't want to break it. Doesn't have to be torqued down or anything like that. Just hand tighten it and it's good to go. And that's pretty much it for the accelerator pedal. I mean, it's pretty much straightforward. You have the two plugs on the CL500. I believe the CL55, or maybe it is the S classes. One of them are different. They don't have the plug on the bottom, so you have to be careful when you order your part. Because the part I ordered basically didn't have the plug on the bottom, so I had to get a new one. But we went ahead and got that taken care of. So we got the new pedal in. Car's running fine now. It's not basically bogging down and going into limp mode when I step on the gas anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But as you can see in the beginning of the video, we ran into another problem. We had a blowout on the interstate, and it was pretty bad too, as you can see. So yeah, so she's down again for the time being. It's not gonna be that long. I have to order another tire. I thought about just going to Walmart to get tires, but I really don't like going to Walmart. So that's just my personal preference. I'd rather just order my tires offline and get the ones that I want. So, but for now, she's sitting on a shredded tire. I might go get a used tire for now till my other tire comes in. I'm not sure, still debating on that. But just so she won't sit, because you know how these cars are when they sit, the batteries go dead, and I just got a brand new battery for this car, so I don't want this battery messing up, and I've only had it a little over a month now. So yeah, I might as well just go ahead and get a used tire for it so I could drive it. But that's it for now. She's gonna be sitting until I figure out what I'm going to do with her. And I don't know. Maybe I'll go ahead and get a used tire for now. Go ahead and be able to still drive her. Super Bowl weekend is coming up, so I don't want to be without my car this weekend. Going over to a friend's house. So we'll see. But just to let you guys know, I have been working on something with this car. I'm waiting for it to come. It's a big, huge surprise that I think a lot of you guys would like. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Trying to get up to 1,000 followers, subscribers on here. So we're not really close to being halfway yet, but we're almost there. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. It'll help out the channel and help me do projects like one I got coming up that I've been waiting on to do, and I think it's going to be fun for the channel. And actually, it's 2 of them, so we'll see that pretty soon. One should be here this week, so probably this weekend I'll be making a video on that. So that's it for now, guys. So like I said, the like button, subscribe button, follow me on social media. Until next time, peace. All right.